Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix default PDF viewer keeps changing to Microsoft Edge. So firstly open Microsoft Edge. Then click on this three dot. Here click on settings. Now click on cookies and site permissions. Now scroll down and click on PDF documents. Now turn on this option, always download PDF files. You have to select this option, always download PDF files, make it on. Now close it and access your PDF file like this one. Right click on it. Now here click on choose another app. Now here select program where you want to open PDF file like Adobe Reader or Chrome or any another platform like Adobe Reader. Select it and also select this box. Always use this app to open .pdf files. Then click on OK. That's it. So this way guys, you can fix and resolve default PDF viewer keeps changing to Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching. Please comment on this method work for you or not.